we discuss a very basic problems of hacker rank. It is under the algorithm section, so it is named as solve me fast. So it is a very basic algorithm problem. So here we have given the problem statement: complete the function solve me fast to compute the sum of the two integers. So here we have given the two integer a is equal to 7, b is equal to 3, and we have to print the sum of the number. So first we see the function description. So here complete the solve me first, and int a the first value, int b the second value, and we have to return the sum of a and b, and the constant of a and b is between the 1 and 1000, 10,000, 1 and 1000, and where we have to given the two input, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2, and have to print the output 5. So now we code go into the code section. So here first we give a num1, and here we give the input int input, num2 int input, we give the second input in num2, and then we call the function solve me first num1 and num2. We uh, send the value of the input num1 and num2 to the solve me first function, and it is here assigned to a and b. Now we return. So what we do, we return the value of a plus b to here, and it is assigned to res variable. So next we print the res. Now we execute the code. So we see that we successfully execute the code, and now we submit the code. So we see all the code is submitted successful. So this is the problem of solve me fast, problem of hacker rank algorithm.